In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image and pictures in Clipchamp, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into Clipchamp, start a project, and bring your images into the editor so they're ready to use in your video. First, open your web browser and go to clipchamp.com. Clipchamp runs best on a modern browser, so if you're using something like Chrome or Edge, you're in good shape. When the page loads, look for the option to sign in. This takes you to the secure login flow that connects your editor to your account and saves your projects online. Choose the Continue with Microsoft option. Clipchamp is part of the Microsoft family, so using a Microsoft account is the most straightforward way to get in. If you use multiple accounts, you'll see a prompt to pick the one you want. Select the account you plan to use for your video work. If your organization uses additional verification, complete that as usual. Once you're signed in, Clipchamp will take you to the home screen. On the home screen, you'll see your recent projects and templates. For a clean start, choose Create a New Video. This opens the editor. Give the project a clear name so it's easy to find later, and confirm your aspect ratio matches your destination, whether that's 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for vertical video, or another format. Setting this early helps your images fit the frame the way you expect. Inside the editor, look for the Import Media button. This is where you add your images and pictures to the project. Click it and you'll be able to bring in files from your computer or connected storage. For best results, use common formats like JPG and PNG. If you're working with transparent graphics such as logos or overlays, PNG is ideal because it retains transparency. Aim for images that match or exceed your video resolution to avoid blur. For example, 1920 by 1080 pixels for full HD. You can select multiple images at once to speed things up, and organizing them in a dedicated folder before importing can make your workflow smoother. After the files finish importing, you'll see them appear in your media library on the left side of the editor. They're now part of your project and ready for use whenever you need them. That's the essential process. Go to clipchamp.com, sign in with your Microsoft account, open a new project, and import your images. Keep your files well named, choose the right formats, and import at a resolution that matches your video for the best visual quality. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Clipchamp.